Okay, another short video on the settings that I have here. Most of these are general WordPress settings, BuddyPress settings, but if you go to referral commissions, you'll see some settings that are going to be crucial to the website that you're going to build. Basic registration fee isn't really the basic registration fee, it is the income received by AddyCat for the watching of 30 addies. And that is going to be based on $3. Minimum fee of 0.01 means that the minimum amount that something will go up is 1 cent. Maximum number of levels, 8. I don't know why they have it set to 8. It's supposed to be, I guess, 10 levels, but the 3 levels, you're going to have to figure out how to do that because the 3 other levels are three of the levels, the 8th, 9th, and 10th level are bonus levels. You have to figure out how to make those become bonus. I don't know what these other ones are. Okay, minimum payout means that they can't. This $24.95 is the minimum amount that a user that's making money must earn before that user has in their cashier that send check button option. So that send check button option I talked about earlier will not even show up until AddyCat owes them $24.95. Number of days required to gain or maintain status as vested. Setting negative changes the time frame to calendar month. This sets the time frame to each calendar month that the vesting returns back to 0. I have in here a grace period where I can give them 2 or 3 extra days if I wanted to. Minimum number of addies they have to watch is 30. Don't worry about the viral calculator. This is something that they tried to set up that didn't work, probably from a plugin. Maximum number of direct referrals. This, of course, to be set to 3. It's at 5 now, but I want to be able to set that. Maximum number of referrals for push down. You might want to read these examples. I don't know what it actually means, but it has to do with the payout levels. This gives the amount of, this is the percentages that are paid out on each level. Okay, these are all in percentages. Last payment date, I don't know exactly how that works. Recruitment text, I don't know what that means. Then they tried to get the bonus levels here. Bonus level 1, percentage payout, qualifying tests, total referrals, referrals in 1 level, completion of profile process. That basically would open up the first referral level, which is actually 8. The first bonus level, which is actually 8. And the total referrals needed, if you click that, is 3. 3 would go in there. Then there's some referrals in 1 level. Okay, level to check 1. Referrals it must have is 3 on that level to get it. Profile completion percentage for it to become active. We have it set at 99% so that they don't have to complete the 10 that are the fast start plan, because those do not affect whether or not they have completed their profile completion. I would prefer to have the fast action plan completion not as a profile, but maybe as another tab where they can keep up with that. And then the final level is level 10, total amount of referrals, 25, check level 1, 2, 3, and then the third level, there'd be, 27. Then that would kick into place. And they have it so I can add bonus level and stuff. I don't know well all this is working, but these are the types of things that I would need to have some control of. Now the affiliate uh, base ad costs, base cost to create an ad. This is when they started trying to calculate how to pay for the ads. I'm sure y'all gonna find a better way to do that. Have a place as agree. This is an agreement. There would be an agreement here that I will write up and put in. I need to have a place to put in an agreement for our ad creators. Confirmation text. I don't know where they're using that, and save changes. That's just some of the stuff that they have in the background that's going to be important for us. Administrative bar improve. These are probably some things that go uh, to some of the plugins they've put in. Now, I'm going to go to your site now, the one that you guys have created for me. Okay, I'm on your site now. I'm going to let's talk about the landing page for a minute. The landing page is going to be two landing pages, basically. It's going to be a landing page. The landing page, when you just go to addycat.com, is going to be this video or a video that I put in there, either from YouTube or we have it uploaded. It's going to look a lot like this page. When you finish watching it, you click the join button, just like you do here, and then we can fill out all the information needed. We have to have a place where it doesn't have here. We have to have a CAPTCHA code, emails. We don't allow the same email to be used twice. Some basic information that has to be put in. And I've read and agreed the affiliate agreement, which can be looked at by clicking on that. And that's a page. But we also, on the first page, when you're just joining without a sponsor. So if you go into addycat.com and you're joining, this will not be here. Take out no sponsor, no icon, no place to put referral code. Okay. No. Let's leave this information here, but let's put a line under here. So allow them to leave this blank, and put if you're new and not been sponsored by anyone, leave blank. Let's put that under there. And then when they finish that up and complete sign up, they'll be sent an email to verify their email. Once they verify their email, they'll be able to log in and they'll have their own page like the pages we've showed before. Okay, now I'm going to log into your site. Okay, I'm logging into your site that you guys have over there in India. Okay, I'm in, but it's still showing that page. Go to AddyCat, of course, and once I log in, I want to go to my home page. And it's kind of tough to get there, but I got to there. Now I'm on your site at the home page. And of course, it's still not showing ads, but we didn't do anything to fix that. But on your page, I guess you've got everything pretty much. Ad wizard. Of course, I don't have one here. Let's see if I can create one. Agree to terms, because the terms will be done and put in later. Put in a title, something there. Okay, you don't have the place you don't have the and I wouldn't worry about fixing this stuff as much as understanding it, so that we can start building the real site. I can't put any survey questions in here, but I don't know if you want to fix that on this WordPress site, or let's get started on the Virgin site. See if I continue, if it'll, zero cost. Of course, all of this has to be completely different. I have to be able to, choose the profile questions and just target my audience, and I need to be able to put a bid in. It needs to be bid generated like we did before. I completed. Here's the one that I completed, and it didn't add it to to the thing over here, which it should because it was going out to everybody. But I don't know if you want to worry about fixing that as much as you want, as to what point we want to jump off and start creating the actual new site. Okay, my sales center looks like it is as before. Profile, all this is as before. Okay, now let's go to recruiting tools. Every time somebody joins, you need to make sure your site creates a unique registration page. That is my personal landing site, my landing site for that personal person. So when I recruit somebody, let me log out. When I recruit somebody, I can now go to that URL address, hit enter, and I should come to a landing page. It looks a lot like the other page, except we have the reference ID up here that's saying anybody that logs on here is for Wyndham Payne. That goes under my downline. Again, I can watch this, decide if I like it. Then when I hit join, I'm already the sponsor. My picture's here, and we should also put the name of the sponsor here. So this is all the same, except now the sponsor is fixed as the person that went in. Fill out everything, complete sign up, and email will be sent back for confirmation of the email. Need to do that. Complete sign up, and then I should be able to log into my own thing. Okay, so other than that, I think your site, you got the site up and working, and I hope that with these videos we can start pumping out some code. If I think of anything else, I will get it to you right away. Probably get at least another video tonight. Thanks, guys. Again, let me reiterate. I want to make sure that you understand that we're creating a site that is not in any way WordPress. Now, I don't know if you intend on doing that by getting a WordPress site that's working perfectly and then stripping out everything that makes it WordPress. Maybe that's a way to go. You know, instead of making it a conglomeration of subroutines and stuff, completely eliminate everything that makes it a WordPress site, but make it appear to be exactly the same, so that there would never ever be a requirement to upgrade to a newer version of WordPress or any active plugins that have to be changed. This has to be a non-WordPress site.